Hi, my name is Suleiman. I'm based out of Dallas, Texas. I'm the founder of Connect, which is a local social network. My previous year had been extremely unproductive and unstructured. What had happened is my life was requiring a higher level of me, and I was not at that level. So I needed to get a coach to optimize me, help me master my mornings, teach me productivity, get me to the level so I can meet what was being required of me from my mission. And so I interviewed many different coaches. I really gelled with Mandy, and I figured I decided to move forward with it. So I coached with her for 1 year, and it was a great experience. So we worked on my values. We really clarified what I stand for in my life. And every single day now, I start my morning by reading my values. So I engage life through it. It reminds me the things that are important to me. And they have helped me a lot, not only in how I engage life day to day, but also helped me clarify as I was creating values for Connect, what we stood for as a company. So another thing that was a big takeaway for me was our head, gut, and heart intelligence that Mandy does. So there were several instances over the course of the year where I was needing to make difficult or important decisions. And we went through this exercise where we used the 3 different intelligences, and the results were always amazing. I got so much clarity from doing it, and the outcomes that I achieved based on the decisions I made were needle moving. So that was a huge one. And then obviously the biggest one was mastering my mornings. I have been trying to master my mornings since for the past 5 years. Every year I have a goal. Okay, I'll master my mornings this time, and I'm just not able to do it. This time, my biggest goal was I'm going to master and own my mornings. I can confidently say now, mornings are my favorite part of the day, and I have truly owned them. So we did a lot of work, and there was unbelievable accountability from Mandy. There was close to 6 months where we were doing daily accountability just to get me going, so we could really build the momentum. We did some exercises on limiting beliefs, and it's amazing. One of the limiting beliefs that came out was when I was young, there was a statement that had been made by someone about sleeping in that just got embedded in my subconscious that I didn't even realize. And that I believed that I was not capable of waking up early in the morning. And so I always told myself, you know what? I can't wake up in the morning because I'm not a morning person. Identifying that belief totally changed it. But once I identified that I had this limiting belief, I figured that waking up in the morning is no different for me than it is for anyone else. Those first few seconds, you just have to push through and get out of bed. So I jump out of bed early in the morning. So actually, just to kind of give you some insight, the last part of the year, like over a quarter, I was waking up at 3 a.m. every morning. So I didn't just master my mornings, I really mastered my mornings. I had a great experience working with Mandy over the past 1 year. I'm excited for the relationship I've built with her, and I know I'll be working with her very frequently in the future as I have different goals I want to accomplish. I've worked with very many different coaches in the past, in athletics, as well as kind of life coaching. And I've worked with some of the best coaches in the world. What I will say about Mandy is that from all the coaches I've worked with, there is no one who cares more than Mandy. Mandy truly, meaning for her, you're not just another client. She will do whatever she has to do to make sure you get the results. So thank you, Mandy, for the great year.